Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Annie from Phyto Collection. In this video, I'd like to share few of my tips and projects that I've personally practiced and were successful. So all you need is that a few of your daily things which were available in your home. So especially I tried to make something different apart from the plant videos. So I came up with this new idea. So in this video I'd like to show plant hangers or planters which you can place them or hang them on your wall. One more thing I would like to mention you guys is that I have tried these ideas with things that are available in my house. So you can also try any new cool ideas that are available in Pinterest or Google or any other website. I hope this video will be helpful and you can try these as well, which you can share it on my Instagram page, which I will link it down in the description box below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share it to your friends. And if you are yet not a subscriber to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe, which means a lot to me. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
The first thing I am going to show you in here is a plant hanger. Here I have a piece of wood on which I have already drilled 4 holes on all the sides. And the next thing you are going to need is a thread or a piece of cloth. If you are going for a cloth, then make sure you cut the cloth into long and thick pieces. So if you have a thread, you can go for it. And the next thing what I am going to do is that I have taken individual thread and I have inserted into all the holes on wooden board, and I just tied a knot at the end. Make sure to tie 2 to 3 knots at every end so that the boat stays strong and will not fall off. So you can hang this plant hanger on the walls or on your balcony, which will add a piece of greenery to your area. So you can use any kind of plastic plate or any kind of material which is available to make different types of hangers. And the next thing I am going to show you is an air plant planter. You already might have known about air plants, which does not have any root system and can be hanged or can be placed on any surface. So all you need is a metal bendable wire. Make sure that you do not harm your hands while making this. So you need a heavy base so that the planter will not fall aside. You just need to wind the wire onto this stone or any kind of cement made material. So I am folding this wire as per the picture I have in my mind. I just folded the wire in 2 to 3 layers so that just the plant can sit in it. Make sure that you tightly wind the wire onto the base so that the wire or the plant may not fall apart. So with the help of same metal wire, I'm using it for making a trellis. So you can use this trellis for any kind of vining plants like monstera or money plant. What I've done is that I've made this metal wire into circular shape with a long tip. Make sure the tip of this trellis should be equal to the length of your pot which you are using for. So you need to twist with both ends of this metal wire to make it stay together. More is the length of tip, more will be the stability to heavy